Hi, my name is Amy Gentry, and I'll be doing my internship in a hospice and palliative care agency. In my internship, I would like to practice my skills of presence, active listening, empathy, um, and working with a multidisciplinary team because there will be physicians and nurses and CNAs and psychologists on the treatment team. From the seminar, I hope to learn more about just how to be the best therapist that I can be, how to work with clients in the best supportive way, as well as how to be part of a team in supporting the others on the team. This field placement will be a lot different from my first field placement. In that field placement, I provided case management as well as interventions for families who were in crisis due to the removal of a child from the home or the threat of a removal from the child from the home. In the generalist first internship, I was left on my own a lot. There was not a lot of collaboration, even though we had more than one caseworker. We didn't interact very much. We didn't have the opportunity to learn from each other, and I really wanted that. In the first internship, I had to develop a lot of crisis management skills on my own because I'd go into a family situation where parents weren't getting along and things would get heated, and so that was really, really hard for me. Especially when you can take in consideration that I've not worked in a little over 20 years. I've done a lot of volunteer work outside the home, but I've not been out of the home in the workforce. So that was a lot to get used to. The client interactions in both internships will be due to a stressor, a tragedy, or a major life change. So that'll be the same. They'll both involve the family system. They'll both involve helping clients make decisions, and there will be lots of opportunity for me to develop empathy and listening skills, and that I'm looking forward to. So I am excited about this last journey with all of you and look forward to working alongside you. Thanks.